ojos cerrados, vimos acá. Okay.
I'm so sorry. I should have gave you the brush on the lamps.
Oh.
Oh no, you can do that either or. Yeah, say you don't have a brush, then you're doing great. My mind is somewhere else.
The brush is
Yeah, it's just like painting on, but your hand is perfect too. Either one. Yeah, but she was getting assaulted all the time, and I just got tired of it, so I stepped in. But I looked at her check, and I was blown away about how much she was getting paid.
And she was an esthetician?
Yeah, but to my surprise, she was an esthetician and a massage therapist.
Oh.
So I didn't understand what a dual therapist was. And so I was like, hey, I want to do what you do. And she said, no, go to this school for aesthetics because you already have a massage license.
Oh.
And then you can do both. And so she's the reason why I got into it, because she thanked me for jumping, helping her out. Because we didn't like it. Like I said, we didn't talk. We did not like each other at all until that day. And so that's what
Do we do it around the eye or not, Ben?
You can if you want to. As long as, she don't have false lashes or any type of
Yeah, that's
extensions
another
done.
thing. Karina, no abra los ojos porque te estoy poniendo una clase.
Yeah, all hers are crooked. That's all her.
So we just let it dry, right?
And then you can add another coat once it dries, and
Okay.
you can take it off with some hot towels or sponges or anything. This is nice.
Okay, Karina.
So see how we tore down the face with the machine, and then now you added a mask, because the machine can't add a mask. I wish it could. That'd be nice. So some things you're still gonna have to do manually.
It's
Not everything.
It's
stings?
stinging? ¿Te pica?
Good.
¿Te lo quito?
So we should probably take it off.
No.
Like bad sting?
Like bad stinging? So we can take it off or just
It's
a
like tingling.
Oh,
tingling? Let me
But
see. We
it's
put on a
like-
caviar mask.
That's good. That's when it's working.
Yeah, and that's probably because the blade,
That's
cuts,
what I was thinking.
yeah, it
too.
cuts into the skin. So like if we added a regular chemical peel, that's what I'm saying. Like she would be like, whoa, this is really, because we took off so much dead skin.
Okay. Oh, that's why. Is this when we use the fan? Let me see.
Sure.
From photo.
You just hold it down, the button. Oh, or I'm sorry, tap it one time. Sorry.
Is that better, Kevin?
Or you can use the cold hammer. This is a good time. It's gonna be a little messy, but you can use the cold hammer if you want to.
Karina, you remember when we went to the Botox class?
And that's a good thing as well to see if she's claustrophobic, because some people have masks that actually go around the whole face. And yeah, even the one I've had that goes, it's like a helmet. You put it on, I'm like, no, I'm claustrophobic. Yeah, this is kind of a weird feeling. But this is good because they can still see or
You
feel.
okay?
Yeah, they're good.
Okay. Does it feel warm, Karina? Okay.
Is it supposed to?
No.
There's lights that do that. They heat up. That's what the red is, like infrared. Infrared actually heats up your skin cells so products can actually seep into the skin. But this type of machine, this is only good for superficial on top of the skin layers. But something like an infrared sauna, like when you go to the sauna, it opens up those pores. So that red light, when you go to infrared sauna, the whole room is red. Yeah, it really cooks you.
It's so good for your
For
skin.
how long usually
Yes.
you keep the mask on?
At least 15 minutes.
15
10 is
minutes.
cool if you want to. 5 is almost like borderline. If somebody has great skin like she does, you do, me and everybody else we worked on, then 5 minutes is good. But somebody has problem skin, 10 minutes. Somebody has really, really bad problems, 15 or more.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it just depends on the person. Yeah, if they're mild issues, 5-10 minutes. Because almost 15 and 20 is like overkill. Like